Diretsong sinagot ni Richard Yap ang katanungan sa kanya kung bakit siya lumipat sa GMA7. Natanong si Richard sa panayam sa kanya kung bakit niya napiling maging kapuso. GMA has been there for a long time, and they've been doing a lot of shows for a long time. Of course, I will choose a more stable network. I think that's the main reason for us to choose GMA over other networks. Saad ni Richard nang siya ay makapanayam. Actually, there's about 2 or 3 offers from different networks. But I think going to GMA was the easiest choice. The others were just starting out. The others were doing block time, while GMA is doing everything by itself. So I think on the practical side, yun talaga ang iniisip namin. We'd rather go to the one that is established na. Kasi yung iba block timer lang. Yung iba naman nag-start pa lang. So they might find it difficult to go against the big networks such as GMA7. Dagdag pa ng aktor. Ayon pa sa aktor, ay excited rin siya dahil maraming plano ang nakalatag sa kanya. You know what? I am excited to do a lot of things with Kapuso Network because they've been opening a lot of interesting avenues for me to do. Like, we want to explore other genres that I can come out with. So, I'm looking forward to doing new shows and doing them also with a lot of new people that I haven't had the chance to work with. I'm sure there will be a time that I'll be doing rom-com, but we're thinking of doing a lot of other things also, like comedy, maybe action. But right now, may mga comedy tayong ginagawa. Saad pang muli ni Richard sa panayam sa kanya noong December 22.
Share for 5.